Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Today, I'll explain why nobody wants old houses in Japan.
In Japan, many old houses are left vacant. Some of them are even given away for free. So, why does this happen? First, the preference for new houses. In Japan, many buyers prefer newly built homes. New houses are seen as cleaner, safer, and more comfortable. Because of this, older houses are less attractive. Second, building depreciation. In Japan, buildings lose value over time. After a certain number of years, the building may have little or no market value. This makes it harder to sell older properties. Third, maintenance costs. Older houses often require repairs. These can include roof repairs, plumbing, or structural issues. For many buyers, these costs are a concern. Fourth, demolition costs. In some cases, it is cheaper to demolish an old house and build a new one. However, demolition itself can be expensive. This creates another barrier for buyers. Finally, population decline. In some areas, the population is decreasing. As a result, there is less demand for housing, especially older properties. However, there are also some advantages. Many older houses are located in good areas. In some cases, the land size is larger compared to newer properties. Because of this, old houses can still offer good opportunities. The key is to carefully evaluate the property. Working with a reliable real estate professional is very important. Overall, understanding both the risks and opportunities is essential when considering old houses in Japan.
To learn more about property in Fukuoka, please check the link below.